everyone, myself Tangraj from final year Triple department. Here I will go to take a seminar on the topic of cascaded transformer. I starts from the definition. Two or more electrical transformers connected in series to transform or use high voltage alternating current. A high voltage source consisting of a limited number of step-up transformers with their secondaries in series, the primary of each offer after the first being supplied from a pair of taps on the secondary of the preceding. The principle of cascaded excitation of transformers, particularly those connected in circuit in which each transformer in turn is excited from a part of the step-up winding of the preceding transformer, is usually used. Cascaded transformers for voltages up to 1.5 or 2 megavolts with a total of 4 to 8 transformers in the cascaded may be constructed according to this principle. The drawbacks of such a cascade transformer are partially eliminated in the capacitor type of design. The windings are wound in single layer on insulating cylinders. Cascade transformers construction. The construction is identical for isolating transformers and the high voltage cascade units. All the cascade transformers units which are meant for the supply of excitation to the next stage have large leakage between the primary and the excitation windings. Thus the multi-stage amplifiers or cascade amplifier may provide a higher voltage gain or current gain. Cascading of amplifier stages is usually done to increase the total gain of the amplifier. However, sometimes cascading is done to get the desired output and input impedance for specific applications. And the connection as a series connection of amplifier stages networks or tuning circuits in which output of one feed the input of the next, also known as the tandem connection. Shows the cascade transformer connections units in which the first transformer is at the ground potential along with the tank. The second transformer is kept on insulators and maintained at the potential of V2, the output voltage of the first unit above the ground. The high voltage winding of the first unit is connected to the tank of the second unit. The low voltage winding of this unit is supplied from the excitation winding of that first transformer, which is in series with the high voltage winding of the first transformer at its high voltage end. A high voltage connection from the first transformer winding and excitation winding terminal are taken through a brushing to the second transformer. In a similar manner, the third transformer is kept on insulators above the ground at the potential of V2 and supplied likewise from the second transformer. The number of stages in type of arrangement are usually 2 or 4, but very often 3 stages are adopted for facilities a 3-phase operation so that root 3 V2 can be obtained between these lines. Most of the present day transmissions and distribution network are operating on AC voltages and hence most of the testing equipment relate to high AC voltages. Even though most of the equipments on the system are 3-phase systems and a single phase transformer operating at power frequency is the most common from HVAC testing equipment. Test transformers normally used for the purpose have low power rating but high voltage ratings. These transformers are mainly used for short time tests on high voltage equipments. Here the main three parts are having in this construction. They are primary transformer, secondary transformer and tertiary transformer. The primary winding is the coil that draws power from the source. The secondary winding is the coil that delivers the energy at the transformed or changed voltage to the load. Usually these two coils are subdivided into several coils in order to reduce the creation of flux. And the secondary transformer, a transformer that increases the voltage from a primary to secondary. More secondary windings are turns the primary winding turns, is called a step-up transformer. Conversely, a transformer designed to do just the opposite is called step-down transformer. And the third one is the tertiary winding transformer. It reduces the unbalancing in the primary due to the unbalancing in three-phase load. It redistributes the flow of fault current. Sometimes it required to supply an auxiliary load in different voltage level in addition its main secondary load. This secondary load can taken from tertiary winding of three winding transformer. As the tertiary winding is connected to delta formation in three winding transformer, it assists in limitation of fault current in the event of the short circuit from line to neutral. The primary winding of the secondary stage transformer is connected in series with the secondary winding of the stage transformer. The potential of the tertiary is fixed to potential V of the secondary winding in this figure. In a star-to-star connection, unbalanced load may result in neutral displacement and third harmonic currents may circulate between line and the earth. These difficulties may be overcome by providing a delta connection stabilizing tertiary winding with a rating sufficient to take short circuit fault. Let's see about the advantages and disadvantages. Cascading over a single unit testing transformer. The cost of the cascaded transformer is less for the similar capacity as compared to single unit testing transformer. The height of the individual unit less and also bushing are small. The disadvantages of the cascaded transformer. The main disadvantage of cascading the transformer is that the lower stages of the primaries and the transformers are loaded more as compared with the upper stages. The loading of various windings is indicated. Thus, the multi-stage amplifier or cascaded amplifier may provide a higher voltage gain or current gain. The main applications: cascaded transformer, dielectric test under dry and wet conditions, and pollution test. Cascading of amplifier stages usually done to increase the total gain of the amplifier. However, sometimes cascading is done to get the desired output and input impedance for specific applications. This configuration can reduce the number of switches in comparison with conventional cascaded transformer multi-level inverters. Thank you.